So how do you type on a document in files on the iPhone? Let me show you exactly and practically how it works. So if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So let me just head over to the Files app right away. You can see that I looked up some PDF documents, but whatever else it might be somewhere in your downloads folder in here, whatever, right? So as you can see, we need to get some sort of document so I can show it to you exactly how it would work. So as I had it before, for example, this one, if I get info about it, it's a PDF document. So how can you type on it within the Files app? Well, you have a few options. Like, it depends on what happens when you click on it. So when you click on it like this, you can see that I get inside of the quick look mode. It means that we didn't leave the Files app and we are still inside it. And in here, we can click on the three dots and choose the form filling. And in here, click the plus button and add a text form. And you can see that we have the ability to just add text in here and just like so, type in some text, change the size, whatever you need, right? There are going to be some tools like you can bump up the text size and change the font and so on. So that's how you can add and edit the PDF or other document types while staying inside of the Files app. But it might happen, you can see that it moved to the top, but it might happen that when you click on it, it doesn't stay within the files, but instead it moves you over into the preview app. And you can see that we can get it or hold down on it and then decide what happens when we click it. That's kind of important. So essentially, what we have the ability to do is to click on or hold down on it, click on open with, and at the bottom there is the toggle which is called preview with quick look. And if you have this enabled, if there is the check mark, it means that you stay within the Files app. But if you disable it like this, you can see that if I go there, it is no longer enabled. And now if I click it, it moves me over into the preview app and I'm no longer inside of the Files app. I mean, in here it also works very similarly because we have the same feature of adding the text form and adding text on my own, but it depends on which approach you want to have. If you want to stay within the Files app, again, you hold down, click on open with, and choose to preview with quick look instead. So I hope that I was able to explain it properly. Let me know what you think about it below. I'm going to wrap it up right now, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.